Hi, Hiram here. I just got a package from UPS not even a half hour ago, but I'm so excited about opening this up that I thought I'd knock off a quick video of unboxing. Ooh, can't wait. This is something that was sent to me by a good buddy on YouTube. He wants to stay anonymous because he's sending it to me basically because he couldn't get it to work too good. He's a great YouTuber, great videos. But when he says he couldn't get it working, I thought, uh-oh, here we go again. But I looked this up, and it looks like it's a pretty cool thing. I'm hoping that I can get it working. So let's quickly... Now, I'll leave a link to the website down below of where these come from. I know I'm holding off on telling you what it is. Paper. Boy, it's smaller than I thought. Paper. Paper. Cool. Dang, wow, it's smaller than I thought. Alright, it's taped up again yet. Sorry about this. This is going to be cool. Come on. There we go. So, basically what we have here is something called a G-Micro PSL Personal Wax-Fueled Stove and Light. Wow. Holy wow. Look at that. Basically, it's a stove that burns wax. It's supposed to get really hot. I don't know about the sooting part, but if you look at the documents on the website, it supposedly gets up to 1350 degrees Fahrenheit. Wow, this is really, boy, what a piece of architecture here. So I just wanted to share this with you. That's what this stuff is. Now it says that it'll use just about any kind of wax. Soy wax, beeswax, wax, and it comes with a couple of sticks of wax. Just smells like regular wax. So I just wanted to share this unboxing with you. I'm going to practice with it a couple of times before I put it up on the air. Cool. The G-Micro PSL quick lighting instructions. So again, I thank my buddy that sent this to me. I hope I can do it justice. This is really a fancy rig. But anyway, I thank him. He, like I said, he wants to stay anonymous. Probably, I'm hoping I won't want to too, but anyway. So I thank him. I thank you for watching. Look forward to a video or two on this. Check down below for a link of where to get more information on this. But I thank you for watching. I look forward to your input, questions, remarks, helpful suggestions. And as always, watch for my buddy Max. Bye now.